Hey guys, today I'm going to make some meatball pasta. So let's get crocking. I've got some pre-made Italian meatballs here. These are Corando brand. These are frozen. I got these at the grocery outlet for $6, but I think I've seen these in the fresh section as well at the regular grocery stores. But I think they're usually more, maybe $9 or $10. So all I'm going to do is just put them in my slow cooker here. These meatballs are made of pork. I cooked some yesterday and I thought they were good. Then I'm going to add a 24-ounce jar of Classico Family Style pasta sauce. I added a cup of water to the jar. That'll get the rest of the sauce out of the jar, and also that'll be some liquid for the pasta to cook in. I'm going to cook this on high for a couple of hours. Then I'll add some of this elbow macaroni at the end. It's been 2 hours, so let's take a look here. Those meatballs ought to be cooked. I'm going to go ahead and add the macaroni. I'd say it's about 3/4 of a cup. Stir that in. And now I'll get the lid back on there and just keep an eye on that until the macaroni's cooked about the way I want it. It's been about 35 minutes since I put the pasta in there. I've stirred it up a few times. That looks about right to me. Now I'm going to get it all out of there because the crock pot will hold the heat and it'll get mushy if you leave it in there. So I'm going to get it all out of there and put it in a bowl now. Put it all in this glass baking dish. Let's cut into a meatball and see how it looks. Pasta looks cooked about right. You could use other types of pasta if you wanted, but these elbow macaroni work pretty well. Alright, let's try that out. That's good. Those meatballs have a little bit of mozzarella cheese in them as well. Mamma mia! Annie, you want to try the spicy meatball? Jeez! Well, that turned out good. And I've done that same recipe with sausage as well. There's a video with that one too. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.